Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo and I'm back. Well, I stopped by the Dollar Tree. They had a few new things. Plus, there's that one Christmas item I forget every year, and I got it today at the Dollar Tree. So stay tuned. Leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to what? Subscribe. Merry Christmas. Not really. But they had the Christmas stuff out. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit in here at the beginning and at the end. But these were just the little knickknacks they had at the front door. You know how they do it. Whatever the holiday they're promoting, they have it right at the door when you walk in. So they had some Christmas little ornaments out. So I thought I'd give you a little peek at that. Hey, I saw these little candle holders and I thought these colors would be perfect for Christmas. The red, the green, and the clear. So I hadn't seen these in here before either. So I thought I'd just show these to you. So just an idea, you know, if you're looking for something to put little tea light candles in. Okay, I asked the girl, what's the new things in the store? So she showed me this. And let me just tell you, these bring back memories. When I lived in North Carolina, I went to a NASCAR race on the coldest day of the year. And these little hand warmers saved my life. So this is something, if you don't have any, get some. Now here was the other thing. She showed me this Curly Tighten Enhancer Cream. That was something new they just got in. This Pantene foam conditioner. She said that was a new thing that they just put out. So she was kind of walking me through everything. And this Gillette shaving cream, that was brand new that they just put out too. I don't think I've ever seen Gillette in here before, but she said it was new. So that was another thing she showed me. Oh, and then these facial masks. There were two of them, this one and the cucumber one. Those are brand new to the store also, she said. Now this was a new thing she showed me. I absolutely use these all the time. You feel like you're coming down with a cold, grab some of these immune support emergencies. Then they have a little something for the men folks, you know what I mean? Okay, I'm not talking about it, it's there. Okay, now this was another thing she showed me, these secret body cleansing wipes. So like if you go to the gym or you're going out after work and you just want to freshen up, these would be great. Okay, and they had these herbal essence conditioning, foam conditioning. They were stocking a whole bunch of this too. So they've got a lot of personal care items that they're stocking at my visit. So I don't know if they're doing it at your store, but there's a lot of personal care items. And they had these in different fragrances too. Rosemary and herb, white grapefruit. They had like 4 or 5 different fragrances on this. Now this, she didn't show me. I found myself. I just happened to come across this Arm & Hammer foot powder, which, you know, 5-ounce bottle, it's $1. And it's Arm & Hammer. You can't go wrong if you need it, okay? Now at my store, they didn't have a lot of Christmas items out, but you know what? The reason I'm actually here is to look for something. Every year for the past 4 years, we try to remember to get this one item for our Christmas tree and we forget, okay? We look at all the ornaments. They got the snowflake ornaments. They've got, you know, everything. They got the little angel ornament up there. And, you know, I'm going down this whole little thing, pretty gold ornament with the glass on that. That is gorgeous right there, okay? Christmas ornaments, they don't have a whole lot, but they got the one thing that I'm looking for. So I'm going do. Yeah. Let me just go down here. Yeah, I see. Yeah, oh, another ornament. We don't need another ornament. That's just foolish right there. We got a tree full of ornaments. We fill our tree up with so many ornaments, okay, from past Christmases. So we're just going on down here and we're just looking. Oh, look at this. There's another ornament. We don't need another ornament, do we? Oh, there's some bells. Do we need bells? No, I got 2 bags full of bells at home, okay? No, I don't need that peace sign, but I'm trying to find the one thing every year. Look at that. Don't touch that box. Put that box back, okay? So the one thing I come for every year and I always forget, where could it be? Where could it be? Oh, look at there. There's a gold one and a silver one. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's just an ornament. I don't need that. But, oh, look at that. I need a tree topper every year. So let me get that. This is the one thing out of this whole trip to the Dollar Tree. Success. Oh, thank you. So this year, we know we'll have a tree topper. That's all I wanted. Look at all the bulbs. Aren't they pretty? A big old roll of bulbs there for $1. Look at all the ornament. Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo here. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video today. I got my tree topper, so I'm happy, okay? So please leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Yoyofinds, and I'll see you next time.